Hey guys, my name is Jess. I work at Tastemade France, so this explains my little accent. This week, Tastemade challenged me to eat cheese for 7 days for every single meal, and I'm really excited, so let's get into it. So I'm currently on my way to the supermarket so I can get all that cheese. I'm gonna get Immortal, cheddar, camembert, brie, everything that I can think of, mozzarella, parmesan. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I can make literally every meal with cheese, even dessert. It's gonna be easy. Seriously, it's gonna be easy. So I'm back from the shop with all my cheese. I even got the childish ones because I'm a big child, but that's another topic. Okay guys, this is day one. I'm gonna have breakfast and I'm gonna have quesadillas. I'm gonna add the cheese. Okay, maybe I should add more. I think it's melting pretty well, so I can add the toppings now. We've got mushroom, chicken, and tomatoes. So I flipped it to one side, and I couldn't show you guys because I needed both my hands. I saw this recipe online where they had quesadillas with no tortilla, and I thought, that's a great idea. Okay guys, I'm about to take my first bite into this lovely quesadillas. This is actually really good. I'm quite happy. It's time to cook. Here's my camembert. Ooh, you don't want to smell this, but trust me, you want to eat it. Then, garlic. Thank God I'm single because between camembert and garlic, you know. Maybe I should add a little bit more. Rosemary. Give it a nice balance. You need to add this on top. Cut like lines. I don't know why they're always doing this in videos. Is it gonna add something to it? I think not. Okay. It is ready. Hope I won't burn my phone. Look at this. This is going to be a good one, guys. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Ooh, look at this. Good stuff. This is what I'm gonna tell my kids. When I was your age, I was eating cheese 7 days a week, 21 meals. What are you doing with your life? Look at all this cheese. The prosciutto, the garlic, the rosemary, all that magic together. Morning guys, this is day 2 and I'm gonna have brie on toast for breakfast. I'm going to add some maple syrup because I realized I don't have honey. I will put it there. Trying to make it pretty, but I failed. Sorry. It's actually really good. And I don't know how to say fromage blanc in English. I don't know if you have it there where you are. But I think it's cheese. I usually don't have breakfast, so I'm just doing it for you guys, for science. This just shows how good of a person I am. It is lunchtime now, so I'm going to have garlic bread with a tomato salad, but be ready, on my garlic bread there's gonna be a lot of mozzarella. I wasn't joking. Look at this, guys. Oh. Ooh. 10 out of 10. So good. I burned my tongue, but it's so good. This is now dinner time and I'm going to have fried baby bell with a salad. I'm trying to add some greens in the mix because, you know, I don't want to die. Moment of truth. Ooh, I think I'm burning them. I'm desperately trying to get this satisfying cheese pull. Let's see how the baby bell one goes. Not as well as what I wanted, but God, this is good. And so far from all the meals I've got, this one is definitely my favorite. It's now day 3 and I'm going to have breakfast, and one of my friends said I could never have cheese and cereals together. Watch me. I chose golden grams and cheese strings. I'm actually wondering if I should just peel the cheese and like have it like regular cheese strings or just cut it. I'm gonna cut it in little cubes. I look forward to this. Guys, It's good. You can't really taste the cheese, but it acts like having marshmallow, like a savory marshmallow in it. Round 2. I did it, guys. Empty, golden grams, and ficello. I did it. Woo! Who's back? Cheese strings, part 2. Spoiler alert, I'm going to bite into it. I'm not going to make 10,000 strings out of it. Sorry. So we're making a loaded potato. Grab your potato, think about someone you hate, and just stab the potato. So then your potato is gonna look like this. Cut it. I'm going to add some mozzarella, garlic butter, and maybe some goat cheese because I haven't tried goat cheese yet. So I'm going to put some goat cheese on top and then put it in the oven, make it melt, and eat it. Butter, little bit of butter. It's the perfect recipe. Okay, butter. Done, done, done. Ready to go in the oven. Time to eat the loaded potato. It's nice, quick, efficient, garlicky, and you can never go wrong with potato. This is day 4 and I'm going to have breakfast now. I'm going to have cheesy pancakes. I think it's gonna be good. Also, whether you choose to make sweet or savory pancake, don't forget your mayo. Mayo is a hack. It makes pancakes 10 times fluffier. Oop. I usually put yogurt as well in my pancake batter, but because it's cheese week, he's back. Fromage blanc. Pancakes are ready. Ooh. Uh-oh. It's good, but you can't really taste the cheese. You feel something in the middle, but it doesn't really taste like cheese. Guys, I finally had my cheese ball. Oh, look at this. How high can I go? I feel like everything I had this week was savory, so I decided to make a cheesecake today. Double cream. Chocolate blanco. A little bit of vanilla. The whipped cream. I just had an idea. I think I'm gonna put some granola and some cheesecake batter together, and then I'm gonna have it for breakfast tomorrow, like a granola cheesecake kind of thing. It's kind of cute, right? Yeah. It is now dinner time and I'm going to have lasagna for dinner. I didn't have lunch, I just had the cheesecake, and now I'm going to have lasagna, and I'm not showing you how I made it because I didn't, my mom did. So yeah, you're just gonna see me eat it. Oh, this is my lucky day. Cheese spools all the time. Is it my birthday? I don't know. So good. This is day 5 and I'm having the little cheesecake I made yesterday for breakfast. The granola isn't crispy anymore, but it's even nicer. It's lunchtime now and I'm going to have omelette with gruyere. I'm not super hungry. The cheesecake this morning was really filling, so I don't need much. Gruyere, Cantal. I'm gonna add my mozzarella and let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. There's way more cheese than there's egg in this thing, but the combination of the 3 different cheeses is really working. I'm loving this, guys. So I'm going to add my brie and let it cook for a little bit. So this is not the typical cheeseburger, it's a brie cheeseburger. I want something quick. The quarter pounder might be slightly overcooked. Should have made it medium rare, but that's okay. I can always make another one. This is day 6 and I'm going to have breakfast now. I'm going to have avocado toast with boursin. I guess it's a cream cheese with garlic and herbs. So it's gonna be good. Boursin and avocado may not be the best match, but I bought boursin the other day and I was just thinking, I need to eat it, so I'm gonna try this. It's not bad, but it's not the best combo either. For lunch, I'm going to have salad, a taco style salad. So you have to put your parmesan, and then you flip it on the other side, but it's kind of hard. Like you can see here, we lost a little bit of it because I failed, but yeah.
You have to wait like maybe 1 minute after you finish using the pan, and then you get this. So here's my taco salad.
It's good, but it's kind of hard to chew. So I'm having bœuf au fromage for dinner, which means beef and cheese. So you look at this. I think I'm going to get the delicious cheese ball. Actually, I got it. I just got it. Look at this again. No. Anyways, this is my dinner and this is gonna be delicious. So if one day you're in France and you go to a Japanese restaurant, just order bœuf au fromage, which means beef and cheese, and thank me later, because this is delicious. Day 7, last day of this fantastic challenge where I've learned so much about myself and my tolerance to cheese. Because I'm late today, I'm going to have something quick. So look who's back. Fromage blanc. Fromage blanc is back. It's quick and easy, so I'm gonna have this with blueberries and a little bit of maple syrup because I don't have time. And then if I tell my friend, oh, I was late because I was filming myself eating cheese, they're gonna think I'm lying. What a week.
Your attention please, I'm about to commit a huge blasphemy by adding a little bit of oil to my pasta. And I'm sorry, but it does help. I am making the meatballs. Some mozzarella in the middle, and then you add more meat.
I'm having meatballs and pasta, but the meatballs have a delicious surprise in the middle. I love that kind of surprise. I'm going to show you the mozzarella. It's a yo-yo.
So I'm making quiche. This is my dough. I had to poke a few holes with a fork, and now I'm adding the egg and cream mixed together with some herbs. And I'm gonna top it off with gruyere. Actually adding courgette because I think it's gonna taste even better with courgette. This is the magic with me. It looks really bad while I'm making it, and then when it's time to eat, it's just delicious. I'm just adding a little bit of goat cheese on the quiche because I'm thinking I didn't have goat cheese this week and it's almost the end of the week, so yeah, goat cheese time it is. Okay, the quiche is ready. Time to eat.
So it's quiche, as you saw, quiche with gruyere and goat cheese, the goat of the cheese. It's delicious. I think courgette was such a great idea. Am I the only person who starts a recipe and then checks if she has the proper ingredients to make the actual recipe? And I'm not sure if I'm the only one doing this. So if you're like me, please let me know in the comment section because I don't want to be alone. Last week has been really interesting. We've been through a lot. We've been dehydrated. We stabbed a couple potatoes. We've burned fried baby bell, but we've also learned a lot. We've learned that golden grams and cheese strings is a delicious combo, that fromage blanc is actually cheese. And also, if you like biting into cheese strings, you know that you're not alone now. There's a random girl in the middle of France who does it too. So yeah, thank you for hopping on this journey with me and stay blessed.